Good morning, students. Today we will study about chapter 3, Introduction to Windows 7, second part, Windows 7 Rainbow. Since the first version of Windows was released, Microsoft released that it would need multiple additions for its operating system to meet the expectations of different customers. उनकी कस्टमर की अपेक्षाओं के अनुरूप इसमें कुछ क्या करना था, एडिशंस की, किसके द्वारा, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट द्वारा. इन फैक्ट विथ विंडोज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैड इंट्रोड्यूस्ड डिफरेंट एडिशंस लाइक होम, प्रोफेशनल, अल्टीमेट दैट वेयर ऑफर्ड इन द मार्केट. जैसे कि मार्केट में लोगों ने चाहा उसके अनुसार से इसमें कुछ एडिशन किया गया, किसके द्वारा, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट द्वारा. The various editions available for Windows 7 are as follows. Various editions available for Windows 7 are as follows, like Starter, Home Basic, Home Premier, Professional, Enterprise, Ultimate. These are the Rainbow of Windows 7. Windows 7 Rainbow. Okay, so this various editions available for Windows 7. Windows 7 Starter. First we will study about Windows 7 Starter. Windows 7 Starter is the editions of Windows 7 that contains the least number of features. Windows 7 Starter is only available in a 32-bit versions. कितने बिट में ही अवेलेबल है, 32-bit version में. The Windows Aero theme is not included in this version. The desktop wallpaper and visual styles Windows 7 Basic are not user changeable. Microsoft originally intended to restrict the addition to the running of 3 simultaneous applications, but this limitations was later dropped. This edition is available pre-installed on computer, especially netbooks, through system integrators or computer manufacturers using original equipment manufacturer OEM license. So this is about Windows 7 Starter. Now next, given here, Windows 7 Home Basic. Windows 7 Home Basic is available in emerging markets. Emerging markets means, students, डेवलप मार्केटिंग, जो उभरते हुए मार्केट जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, across 141 different countries. Some Windows Aero options are excluded along with several new features. Home Basic, along with the other editions sold in emerging markets, includes the geographical activation restriction, which requires user to activate Windows within a certain region or countries. Next, given here, Windows 7 Home Premium. This edition contains features aimed at the home market segment, such as Windows Media Center, Windows Aero, and multi-touch support. Windows 7 Professional. This edition is targeted towards enthusiasts, and enthusiast means होता है उत्साही, and small business users. This edition is targeted, किसके लिए स्पेशल रूप से है, enthusiast, उत्साही और जो छोटे उद्योग, बिजनेस उपयोगकर्ता, यूजरकर्ता के लिए. It includes all the features of Windows 7 Home Premium and adds the ability to participate in a Windows Server domain. Additional features include operating as a remote desktop server, location-aware printing, encrypting file system, presentation mode, software restrictions, policies, but not the extra management features of App Locker and Windows XP mode. Windows 7 Enterprise. This edition targets the enterprise segment of the market and is sold through volume licensing to companies which have a software assurance contract with Microsoft. Additional features in this edition include support for multilingual user interface, बहुभाषी package, BitLocker drive encryptions, and Unix application support not available through retail or original equipment manufacturer OEM channels. This edition is distributed through Microsoft Software Assurance. As a result, it includes several ASA-only benefits, including a license allowing the operating of diskless nodes, diskless PCs, the running of multiple virtual machines, and activation view volume license key or VLK. Windows 7 Ultimate contains the same features as Windows 7 Enterprise. Windows 7 Ultimate contains the same features as Windows 7 Enterprise, but unlike the Enterprise Edition, it is available to home user on an individual license basis. Windows 7 Home Premium and Windows 7 Professional user are able to upgrade to Windows 7 Ultimate using Windows Anytime Upgrade if they wish to do so. Unlike Windows Vista Ultimate, the Windows 7 Ultimate Edition does not include the Windows Ultimate extra features or any exclusive features. The improvement in Windows 7. Windows 7 is not just a facelift to make Windows look prettier. The change and improvements make Windows 7 faster, easier, safer, more versatile with new hardware and better equipped. List of features of Windows 7. The new features of Windows 7 are: number 1, backup and recovery. These are the new features of Windows 7. Backup and recovery. These features protects your computer with improved backup and recovery features. Finding files and programs. On the start menu, the search program and files box allows you to find files, folder or program by name. If you want to find any file, folder or any programs, then you can search on that file box. Many procedures start with using the search program and files box. It is often much quicker than navigating through a series of menus like click the start button, click control panel, and in control panel locate the item you want to open. Home group. This feature shares files and printer with other Windows 7 computers on your home network easily with the home group features. Libraries. This feature organizes and stores your pictures, music, videos and documents easier even when they are in multiple folders on your computer or network. Make it easier to read what is on your screen using this feature. Adjust the size of text as it appears on your screen. You can change as you wish. Multiple monitors. These features manage your multiple monitor positions, screen resolution and screen rotation. You can set on your system. Other network improvements. This feature manages your home network and connections through the network and sharing center. Personalizing Windows. This feature does more with your desktop, background, themes, Windows color and screensaver. Windows Live Essentials. These features download the free set of programs if they were not already installed by your computer manufacturer. They include programs for email, instant messaging, blogging, making movies and managing your photos. They also allow users to download the included Windows Live applications such as SkyDrive or cloud storage, etc. Windows Live Family Safety. What is this? These features monitors and manage parental controls for all of your computer from a web page. Windows Live Family Safety is a free and is a part of the Windows Live Essential Pack. So these are the list of features of Windows 7. This is very important. You study about it, read about it more and more, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting. Okay students, in next video we will study about starting Windows 7. So these features you have to learn. Okay.